Welcome to Dance Giggle Wiggle. Are you ready to have fun? Let's go.
Let's spell a word we use every day. It's not easy, but I'll show the way. It's got some tricky letters, see? Come spell the word people with me. P-E-O-P-L-E, that's how you spell it, people all around. Don't forget it. P-E-O-P-L-E, say it proud and clear. People make the world so dear. It's not people or people, nope, nope. Those tricky sounds can make you mope. Just remember there's an O and an L-E. Let's spell it out so carefully. Not spelled like P-E-E-P-L-E. No way! Not like P-E-A-P-L-E. Not today! Nope, it's P-E-O, clap, P-L-E. That's how we spell people, you see. P-E-O-P-L-E, that's how you spell it. People smile and people help it. P-E-O-P-L-E, sing it loud today.